Hello,
Hello, what's your good name?
my name is Sandhya.
Okay.
Actually, I am come here for because I'm looking for a room. So I heard about you that you rented your rooms.
You let out the room.
You let out the room.
Okay.
Is it?
Actually, you heard that right. It is true. And first, tell me, why do you want to take my room in rent?
Because actually I'm a student of part 1 and I'm living in Madhubani, but there is no good institute for mathematics. So I look institute for my studies, and I want to be continue in my studies in that institute. So I am come here.
Okay. So first, tell me, you are a single that you want to take my my room in rent, and someone is also with you.
No, actually, one of my friend, she is also partner of me.
Okay. So you both are a student.
Yes, we both are student.
So tell me, if you are a student, then how will you pay my rent?
Uh,
How
by
will you manage?
actually, it's not. Actually, I'm not thinking about that because my parents will pay my room renters and other.
Okay, Miss Sandhya. So I am ready to rent my room to you. But tell me, first give me some proof that you are a student or not.
Okay, so there is my identity card and
Okay, let me
so.
see.
Okay.
Okay, good.
So, and I have also lots of documents like Aadhaar cards and other things, but I am not bring right now. So I will show you next time. So how much is the rent?
The rent is only 5,000.
5,000.
Yes,
And
and you have to first give me some advance.
so are you adding your extra charges like
Yes.
electricity bills? So I think for a student there is a high.
This is very high.
This is very
Okay,
high.
so
What
this
your
is.
budget? What is your budget?
Oh, what is your budget?
Actually, I'm looking for a room in
Under.
under 3,000.
Okay, I'm okay with it because you are a student. That's why
I
I
will
will
manage.
give you. And there is some rule that
So,
you have to follow.
What type of rules?
First, you as we know that girls are also smoking and drinking. So,
So, but I'm not in that type.
but you have to follow. I don't know you are. I don't know you very well. That's why you have to follow. And you never come with your wife,
Come with
boyfriend.
Do you know if he has boyfriend? So you can say
Suppose
that boys are not allowed.
boys are not allowed here. Okay, and late night party also not allowed here.
So,
So are you okay with it or not?
so I have one question that if my parents want to come in my room,
It is okay. It's okay.
parents are allowed.
Yes.
And friends.
Friends are
female
also
friend.
allowed, but female friend, not male friends.
Party
Okay.
is not allowed.
And party is not allowed here.
So, can you show me
Because
your room?
there is a lot of room renter or family
Family room.
renter.
So, can you show me your room?
Yes, come with me and I will show you.
Okay.
So you can see that here is a room and here is a room, and you can see these are two fans.
Okay.
Okay, and one wall clock.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, and these are room with attached kitchen. So
So it's look like dirty.
I will clean it up. Cleaned up. साफ करवा
I will got it cleaned.
Okay, I will got it clean.
So no problem.
Don't worry about that. I will manage it.
Okay.
So when will you come to join?
Actually, from next week.
Okay. So first give me
Give me some advance.
give me some advance.
So,
So-
I can book your room.
That then I will book your room.
So how much
How much should I pay?
how much should I pay?
500.
Okay. Can you use
No. I
Phone Pay?
No.
So
You have to give some money.
so I have only 200.
yes.
I have only 200.
Oh my God. Then how will I book your room?
So can I will I pay next day?
Uh,
Can I pay?
let me think. Okay.
So please note. Give me your. Can I get your number?
Okay. Please note it down.
Okay.
5134867.
Okay.
This is my number. You can call me at any time.
Okay.
So.
ठीक है, अब मैं चलती हूँ तो।
So
Okay, I'm leaving now.
so I'm leaving now.
Okay, Sandhya. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.